Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Viewers Tech Finder. Today we will see the different ways of cloning a Git repository into the STS editor. For that, first of all, open your STS editor and you need to add this Git repositories window which is present at the left side of the screen. For that, you need to go to the Windows option on the top and show view and click on other. You can see Git folder. You just click on Get Repositories and open. Now here we can see plenty of options are there. The first option is add an existing local Git repository to this view. If already a repository is present, if you want to add this to this view, you can add through that. See, already we have a Git repository here. And next option is clone a Git repository and the clone to this view. Click on that clone option. See, here you need to give your URL of the repository. Here already the URL is present. Here how to get your URL is here open your repository which you want to clone and code option is there. Just copy this URL and paste it here. Then automatically the remaining details will come. Click on next. Then it will show the what are the branches present there. Here only master branch is present and keep the remaining things as same and click on next. Here it will ask the destination of that local storage, local repository storage. If I want to change this, then click on browse option. Go to the folder where you need to keep that cloned repository. And if you want to change the file name, you can change. I will keep it as arithmetic operations as well. Click on save. Then check this option clone submodules as well. It will help like when first time like if you created a project structure and add it, if you want to clone all the modules like all the files present in that, it will help to clone by checking this clone submodules option. Then click on finish. Here see the percentage. Then see in the Git repositories window, once it is cloned, you can see that arithmetic operations is stored in the F drive in the clone repository folder. Now just expand this and expand the working tree. You can see menu application. This is the project present in our Git repository. Now just right click on that menu application and import projects. It will confirm the location like source location from where you are importing. The source location is F drive clone repository arithmetic operation. Inside that menu application is there. Then click on finish. See here the project is added into our project package explorer. We can open this. See, and this is the one way. Now if you want to remove the repository what is added here, if you want to delete, then just right click on that repository and remove repository from the view will do like it will just remove the repository from this Git repositories window, and delete repository will delete permanently the repository. Just tick this delete Git repository and data extra and remove project in the repository from the workspace also and just delete. See, the project is deleted from the workspace and the Git repository. This is one way. And the second way of cloning a repository through command prompt is, first of all, go to the folder where you want to keep your cloned project and type cmd on the top to open command prompt in a easy way. Now once the command prompt is open, go to the Git repository and copy the URL of your repository. Just click on this, copy it and the command to clone the repository is git clone and paste the URL. Just give it enter. See, the project is cloned. Now open the folder where you have cloned and just open this file. Here menu application is there. To import this project into our STS, just click on file, open projects from file system and give the location where the project is present and select that. Here see like what project we are importing and just click on finish. See, the project is going to add here. See, the project is added into our STS editor. So these are the two simple ways to add, to clone a Git repository into the STS editor and to work with that repository. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, please comment it down below. Once again, thank you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates.